Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something truly exciting. Toyota just changed the game with the 2026 Corolla Cross. This isn't just another SUV, it's a bold leap forward in smart design, advanced technology, and real-world efficiency that makes it stand out from anything we've seen in this category. From the moment you look at it, the exterior screams modern and confident. The wide grille, sharp LED headlights, and bold sculpted body lines give it a strong and futuristic road presence. The metallic finish reflects beautifully under the light, adding a touch of elegance to its sporty personality. Toyota has clearly worked hard to create a design that blends everyday practicality with premium style, making the Corolla Cross a head-turner wherever it goes. Step inside, and you'll instantly notice the transformation. The dashboard feels futuristic yet functional, with a wide digital display, a responsive infotainment system, and soft-touch premium materials throughout the cabin. The seats are not just comfortable, they're supportive and designed for both city commutes and long family road trips. Toyota has managed to combine luxury and usability in a way that feels natural. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla Cross delivers exactly what drivers need: smooth power, excellent handling, and fuel efficiency. That's hard to beat in its class. It's been fine-tuned for real-world performance, meaning you'll save on fuel without losing that responsive driving experience. For those who care about eco-friendly choices, Toyota's engineering here really shows a balance between power and sustainability. And when it comes to safety and technology, this SUV checks every box. Advanced driver assist systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision prevention, and smart connectivity features are all built in. It's a car that doesn't just get you from point A to point B, it actively keeps you safe and connected the entire way. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross feels like more than just a new model. It feels like a statement from Toyota that they are ready to redefine the compact SUV market. With its smart design, real-world efficiency, premium feel, and future-ready technology, this SUV is going to grab attention everywhere it goes. So, what do you think? Has Toyota just delivered their best SUV yet? And could this be the one that sets a new standard for the next generation of cars?